Hello, Mommy T and V family. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I am going to be making gizzard stir fry. So this is my gizzard, and I have my bell pepper. I have the green one, I have the red and the yellow bell pepper, and I will be using the 3 pieces of the bell pepper. So I have my fresh tomatoes. I'm going to be adding fresh tomatoes to it. I love fresh tomatoes very well, so I'm going to be using the 3 pieces. I also have my onions. I'm going to be using these white onions, 3 pieces as well. So I have my seasonings. So those are my seasoning. So I have salt, and I have curry, I have minced mans, and I have my black pepper and my 2 Maggi cube. I will be adding paprika as well. So I also have my extra olive oil. So those are the ingredients I will be needing to make this stir fry gizzard. Let's dive into the video. First of all, I'm going to be washing my bell pepper and make sure it's very clean, and the onions. Now I'm going to chop my bell pepper and onions. And I will also chop my tomatoes. It's already washed and clean as well. Now it's time to cook my gizzard. First of all, I'm going to be adding my gizzard inside the pot. Then I will add my sliced onions. Then I will add all my ingredients. Then I will add my salt. I'm going to be adding everything, my minced man and my 1 Maggi cube and curry together. Then I will add little water to it. And I will stir it together a little bit, just for the ingredients to marinate. So I'm going to cover it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, here is our gizzard. It's ready. So I'm going to be taking it out from the pot because I'm going to use the pot to fry the sauce and everything together. Now it's time to fry everything, the gizzard, the bell pepper, onions. First, I am going to be frying my onions and my bell pepper. So now I'm going to be adding my banana pepper, the green and the red banana pepper. I just sliced it behind the camera, guys. Then I will add my Maggi cube. Remember I said I'm going to be using 2 Maggi cube for this recipe. So this is the last one. And I will add little salt. Then I will add my black pepper and my curry. Then I will stir it together. We are almost done, guys. I'm just going to give it a nice stir. So I'm going to be adding my gizzard, guys. Then I will stir it together. So now it's time to add my fresh tomatoes. We are almost done. Wow, our gizzard stir fry is ready. Guys, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to Mommy T and V YouTube channel. For my old and my new subscribers, God bless you all. My supporters, I love you all. See you on my next video. Bye.